Nobody talks about this, but it's why most people stay stuck. The alarm rings. You grab your phone. A glowing screen fills the dark room. You scroll for answers. You save videos. You collect advice. Yet nothing really changes. The books stay on the desk. The empty coffee cup stays beside them. Days pass, then months, then years, and somehow you still feel behind. Not because you're lazy, because nobody taught you how to learn. And ChatGPT just changed that. Most people think education means information. It doesn't. Information is everywhere now. The problem is attention. The problem is direction. You stare at a ceiling at 2 a.m. Your head feels crowded. You know more than ever. Yet you can't use it. Here's what nobody tells you. Knowledge becomes power only after organization. Because a scattered mind creates scattered results. And that's where most people lose. So today, let's talk about exactly how to become dangerously self-educated using ChatGPT. Chapter 1. Stop collecting, start questioning. Most people learn like hoarders. They collect information endlessly. A laptop glows late at night. 20 tabs sit open. Another video starts. Another note gets saved. The brain loves novelty. Researchers call this the information bias. We mistake gathering information for making progress because collecting feels productive. Learning starts with questions, not answers. Imagine wanting to understand money. Most people search random tips. Instead, open ChatGPT and ask, "Teach me money from beginner to advanced." Then ask what to learn next. One question creates a path. A path creates momentum. But even a perfect path has a hidden trap. And that's where most people quit. Chapter 2. Build a personal teacher. The internet teaches everyone the same way, but nobody learns the same way. Morning light enters through a window. You read the same paragraph again. Nothing sticks. Frustration grows quietly. This relates to cognitive load theory. The brain learns better when complexity matches ability. Too hard creates confusion. Too easy creates boredom. ChatGPT changes the equation. Ask it to explain concepts like "you're 15." Then ask again using examples. Then ask for analogies. Turn it into your personal tutor. Make it adapt to you, not the other way around. But understanding something isn't enough. There's a bigger problem. Most people forget almost everything. Chapter 3. Learn by doing immediately. Knowledge fades faster than people realize. A clock hangs on the wall. You finish reading something useful. Then you close the book. By tomorrow, most of it feels blurry. Psychologists call this the forgetting curve. Memory weakens when knowledge stays passive. The brain remembers action more than observation. Let's say you're learning writing. Don't just study writing. Ask ChatGPT for a small exercise. Write 1 paragraph. Get feedback immediately. Then improve it. Learning becomes experience. Experience becomes memory. But there's one final shift, and it's the difference between informed and dangerous. Chapter 4. Create your own system. The smartest people aren't information addicts. They're system builders. Rain taps softly against a window. A person sits alone with a notebook. No rush, no noise, just clarity. Researchers call this retrieval practice. Recall strengthens learning more than rereading, because the brain grows through retrieval, not exposure. Create a simple learning system. Learn one thing. Summarize it yourself. Teach it back to ChatGPT. Ask what you missed. Repeat tomorrow, then next week. Soon, you're no longer consuming knowledge. You're generating it. And that's when everything changes. Look back at the person from the beginning. The one scrolling in the dark. The one collecting endless advice. The one feeling permanently behind. Nothing magical happened. No secret shortcut appeared. You simply stopped treating learning like entertainment and started treating it like construction. One question. One lesson. One action. One system. That's how ordinary people become dangerously self-educated. Not through intelligence, through deliberate learning. If this hit different, comment, learn below. And subscribe if you want ideas that actually change how you think. Because the future belongs to people who can teach themselves.